Are the live images that are coming to you from the Purvanchal Expressway. The Prime Minister will be landing there in just a short minute from now. I'm assuming, this isn't confirmed, but we're assuming that this aircraft will have to take off before another one can land. I'm conjecturing here because information is still officially coming in at this point of time. There's a security perimeter that is being formed around the aircraft. You can see some air warriors in their green overalls. You can also see what appear to be VIP security personnel there, forming some kind of a cordon outside the aircraft. These are live pictures, mind you, that we're bringing to you from the Purvanchal Expressway. What you're looking at is the rear ramp, which opens like a jaw bridge from the C-130J Super Hercules aircraft. The aircraft is stationary right now. This is in the Sultanpur district. And in just a few minutes from now, we'll have more information for you on who is inside this aircraft. This appears to be a demonstration aircraft that has landed to prove the efficacy and capability of this the road that has been turned into a runway on the Purvanchal Expressway. There are Air Force crews. Okay, you can see the aircraft moving its rudders and its flaps right now. That's a usual workup that takes place by the pilots and the crew on board before an aircraft begins a flight. So there's a good reason to believe that this aircraft is, checking all its parts once before embarking on a takeoff from this very highway. The Purvanchal Expressway, a part of which has been converted into a landing strip. Okay, the man who's just walked into a frame, obviously in an Indian Air Force uniform, that's an air warrior there. You can see he's carrying his walkie-talkie. Communications happening non-stop between the various moving parts and elements, because let's be very clear, ladies and gentlemen, this is an extremely complicated, very intricate operation and symphony that you're seeing play out live on your television screens. It takes a great deal of planning, but even then it is extremely delicate. It's a really, it's a complex dance of many moving parts. So the men in the black suits are obviously VIP security personnel. They're providing, okay, there's Prime Minister Modi stepping out of the C-130J. There's the Prime Minister stepping out of the aircraft, as we told you first. From the rear, from the front exit of the aircraft, the Prime Minister has just stepped out from that C-130J Super Hercules aircraft. So it was indeed, as India Today told you first, that it is the Prime Minister who is landing in that C-130J. He's walking across the Purvanchal Expressway. He's flanked by the SPG, the Special Protection Group, VIP security personnel. And he's now taking his steps towards the VIP podium that is just off to the left from where this aircraft has landed. The Prime Minister, dressed typically in his white kurta pajama and a grey jacket, black shoes, now stepping off the Purvanchal Expressway where his aircraft has landed. He's being greeted here now by the Indian Air Force Chief, the Chief of Defence Staff, Yogi Adityanath, the Chief Minister. You can see other senior leaders from Uttar Pradesh and the central government greeting the Prime Minister as he now gets into his vehicle, the VIP convoy that will transport him to the location of where the aircraft, where the ceremony will begin in just a short while from now. So this Indian Air Force C-130J is the aircraft that has brought Prime Minister Narendra Modi to the site. There were many channels who were unsure about whether this was the case. India Today, obviously the only network that had confirmed to you that the Prime Minister is on that aircraft and would be stepping out of that aircraft. And there you have it, the visual proof of our news break from at least 48 hours ago, that the Prime Minister would be landing personally, himself, in a C-130J on that highway. What the Prime Minister has basically done, ladies and gentlemen, is physically prove through his own experience the efficacy and the reliability of that landing strip that has been carved out of that runway. Now, this is something that has happened before, but the Prime Minister landing on a road-turned runway is unprecedented. It has never happened before, and Prime Minister Modi becomes the first Prime Minister to actually do such a thing. Obviously, also because this is a program that has come under his government. Many such roads turned runways are being planned across the country. Recently, one was inaugurated by the Defence Minister in Rajasthan. There are going to be many more in different parts of the country, including in Uttar Pradesh, Punjab and elsewhere. And this is the big shot, the big photographic, the Kodak moment of today. The Prime Minister doing a namaste and stepping out from the front entry point of that C-130J Special Forces Tactical Military Transport aircraft. Let's go across to Kumar Abhishek, who's live with me from the Purvanchal Expressway. Abhishek, the Prime Minister has landed in that C-130J aircraft. Take us through what's going on right now. Where is the Prime Minister headed? What is next on the agenda? Spectacular images of the landing.
देखिए, प्राइम मिनिस्टर अभी कुछ देर पहले उनका ये विमान लैंड किया है, जो कि मालवाहक विमान है 130 C-130J लैंड किया है और इसके बाद प्रधानमंत्री उससे उतरे हैं और सीधा वो डायस की तरफ बढ़ रहे हैं, जहां पर एक बड़ा सा कार्यक्रम इस वक्त होना है। 1 घंटे का ये कार्यक्रम है, लेकिन इस एक्सप्रेसवे पर कुछ मिनट पहले इस विमान से प्रधानमंत्री खुद उतरे हैं और इस वक्त ये जो वायुसेना का विमान है, इस वक्त लैंड करने के बाद उसे इस एक्सप्रेसवे पर ही पार्क किया गया है। 1 घंटे के कार्यक्रम के बाद एक मेगा एयर शो होने जा रहा है और उस एयर शो में जो जैगुआर है, जो सुखोई है और साथ साथ मिग है, ये तीनों कुछ देर के बाद लैंड करेंगे। लेकिन प्रधानमंत्री का कार्यक्रम पहले होगा और उसके बाद इस पूर्वांचल एक्सप्रेसवे का लोकार्पण, उद्घाटन करेंगे और उसके बाद फिर ये मेगा एयर शो होगा। पहली बार किसी भी एक्सप्रेसवे पे इस तरीके से इतना बड़ा एयरफोर्स का कोई पराक्रम, कोई शौर्य जैसा कार्यक्रम आप देख पाएंगे और लोगों में भी उत्सुकता काफ़ी है। चारों तरफ लोग खेतों में भी इस नज़ारे को देखने के लिए इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं। हम जहाँ पर मौजूद हैं उसके चारों तरफ, उसके दोनों तरफ गन्ने के खेत हैं और लोग खेतों से इंतज़ार कर रहे हैं कि कब जो एयरफोर्स के अलग अलग फाइटर प्लेन है वो उतरेंगे। हालांकि प्रधानमंत्री का जो विमान है वो उतर चुका है और लैंड कर चुका है। प्रधानमंत्री उससे निकलकर स्टेज पर पहुंचने वाले हैं और वहां पर घंटे भर का लगभग वो कार्यक्रम तय है और उसके बाद ये जो एक्सप्रेसवे है इसका लोकार्पण करेंगे। लेकिन बड़ा कार्यक्रम ये कि ये एक्सप्रेसवे पे इतना बड़ा एक एयर शो चल रहा है।
Okay, that was Kumar Abhishek joining us live from the Purvanchal Expressway. That's the landing ground on which the Prime Minister has just landed, ladies and gentlemen. And that's the aircraft from which he's gotten out. Stand by, stay with me, stand by. In a few seconds from now, I'm going to show you a video clip that only India Today has of the aircraft itself landing just a short while ago. The C-130J aircraft that landed with the Prime Minister. We've got that video. We're going to show it to you. Stand by in just a few seconds from now. That Prime Minister has gotten out of the C-130J. He's proceeded towards the VIP dais where there will be the 1-hour-long Purvanchal Expressway dedication ceremony where the Prime Minister will be speaking after the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh and other senior leaders. The Prime Minister will be speaking. Remember, ladies and gentlemen, all of this, of course, is part of political Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh goes to the elections early next year, and all of these big bang events are obviously part and parcel of the campaign, the big noise and the hoopla and the great optics ahead of the Uttar Pradesh election. That's in many ways what this is all about. Prime Minister stepping out of that vehicle, out of that C-130J Super Hercules now and proceeding towards the ceremony. In a moment, I'll get you that image of the landing of the aircraft itself. This is a high security zone. The images you're looking at in many ways are historic landmark images of a Prime Minister who has landed right in the middle of a highway in an obscure part of eastern Uttar Pradesh.